Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on things that sold during the second week of January. So I'm going to start off with this Kabuki brush from MAC. It sold at auction for $4.99 plus shipping. That's a super good deal for this brush, but I never use it, so I just thought I'd get rid of it. Next up is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, which is in 202. It sold for $3.25 plus shipping at auction. And then there is this one and only compact kit from Clean Color. This sold with these Clean Color lot of 6 to duet eyeliner in black. I know it's kind of confusing, but it kind of sold in like a bundle, I guess, and they sold for 99 cents and $1.99, and then I kind of like combined the shipping a little bit just because it was the same person buying both. Next up is this authentic Tiffany & Co bag. You guys have seen me sell like a million of these. It sold for $6 plus shipping. Then there is this lot of 25 Audrey Hepburn pins that sold for 99 cents plus shipping, but the buyer still has not paid for it, and that was on the 11th. Then there's this empty Coach shoebox, which sold for $5 plus shipping. And then lastly are these Maybelline New York. It's a primer pretty much. It's this pack of 2 for $9 plus shipping. And then on Poshmark, this sold, somebody just offered me $35. It was listed for $49, and I took it, and it's like a little cardigan, really cute. And that's about it. Those are my sales for this week that just passed. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.